Well, it's time. It's time for them babies. I got my new additions from Shaun Jones. First off, we want to say, fuck them haters. Alright? I'm going to introduce you to a couple of guys. This is the new baby River. New baby River. I'm going to put you in here, baby. I'm going to just open this up. I got this thing. Plenty of water. Plenty of things. You got a new thing. And River's fixing to go in here. River will live in here for a couple of years. And then I will have the bigger... There you go, baby. Come here. Come on. Hi, baby. This is my baby River. I love your face. I know, I love your face. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We love your face. We love your face. And we'll pet him. And we'll put him in here and get him acclimated so he can get into his new home. And be in there with water and everything. Good boy or girl. I don't know what it is. And then this is Flapjack. Flapjack is his buddy. They grew up together. Flapjack is a soft-shell turtle. No, Flapjack. He's a soft-shell turtle. He's a good boy. And I'm going to put him in there too. And he's going to be happy. And I've got this tank that I set up. I bought a new tank. I didn't want to put them in the old 75-gallon Damon's tank. I do have the things that Damon had, like this thing here. And then Flapjack is just loving him. He's just taking off, boy. He's ready to go. He's looking around. And of course, River, I gotta make sure River is good. River's good, so we're gonna have him let these guys decompress and acclimate for a little bit. But I did go to the pet store, and I did get a dozen crickets. I got that. I got about a dozen minnows. I figured maybe if I put these little rosy red minnows, they're like 29 cents a piece. I could put these guys in there. And then if they want to go scrounging for food and stuff, it'd be more like a natural environment for them to have fish in the water. But just put that in there. There'll be a little fish swimming around. I got a piece of driftwood in here so River and Flapjack can climb around on it. And then I also have about 50 mealworms in here. Now the tip that I learned about mealworms is you can keep these in the refrigerator for a long time and they'll stay alive. So, you know, their diet consists of crickets and mealworms primarily, but I wanted to get them acclimated. Oh, River's Flapjack is just having a ball in here. Look at him. He's just having a ball. He loves his new place. And have this kind of hidey, you know, stuff. I may rearrange this and kind of move it around because I don't want him to get tangled up in it. But he's having a ball. And look at him. He's just loving this. Oh, he's already chasing fish. Look at him. He's already chasing fish. He's going to catch a fish. Look at him. He wanted to chase fish and catch them. He's like, oh boy. Now look at that neck. Can you see it? See his little neck? Yeah. He's having a ball. Yes. So, thank you very much, Shaun, for these guys. I know they're going to take a little bit to get acclimated, so I've got 3 lamps on here. I've got a regular heat lamp over the basking area. I've got a UV light, and then I've got another kind of heat light a little bit over the water. But I may take this off for the moment because the water isn't cold. It's fairly warm. And the river's already starting to move around and everything. But there we go. Brand new babies. And once again, from me and Shaun, fuck them haters. That's right. So, if y'all want exotic animals, I can't recommend anybody better than my buddy Shaun. Because he is proven, not once, but twice, to come through for me. About 2 weeks ago, the initial shipment of these guys was supposed to come through. And of course, FedEx messed it up by ripping off the label. Shaun jumped in there and got them back out. And got them back home safely and kept them. Last week we couldn't do it because of the weather. But this week and today, oh boy. Today I went in there and they said they arrived. And I said, great, I'm ready to get them. And then they said, but they got put on another truck to go back out. And I'm like, oh shit. So they called the driver and he came in immediately, thankfully. And when he came in immediately, I was able to get in. Guy could barely speak English, but he came in and I was able to tell him which box I needed and all that stuff. But he couldn't understand anything. So, hi baby. Hi baby. Old Flapjack. Pet him on his head. I think Flapjack's going to be more handleable than anything. River's probably going to take some use to. He's been used to being handled, but I don't want to stress him out too much. I'm going to throw a couple of crickets in here just to see. The thing is, Shaun's got these guys on a nighttime feeding, so I have to wait till tonight. Throw a couple of crickets in there, you know, make sure I got the fish in here for him already, so he can swim around, catch him, do what he needs to do, and I'm going to take some of this out. Some of this looks like it's too much for him. But he is just having the time of his life, man. This old Flapjack. He is having the time of his life, buddy. You're just loving it in there, aren't you? Get up on your log. There you go. He's just climbing around, just loving it. Of course, the little minnows in there. It's going to take a little while for him to get used to it. River get used to it. But I think, you know, River will be adjusted. He'll be well adjusted. He's very alert. So, he's just playing hide-and-go-seekies with me right now. But I can't tell you how much Flapjack is loving it, man. Anyway, thank you again, Shaun. I appreciate it. This is Shaun Jones Jr. or Yachts 2 Experiences and Yachts 2 Reptiles. Okay? So we'll see you on the next one. We'll give these guys a couple of days to acclimate, and then we'll come back and do live videos every once in a while, see how they're doing. All right? We'll talk to y'all later. Thank you.